Today's the day. School.
Almost there.
I can't wait to learn new things and play. Wow, look at all the kids.
Welcome, Leo. Come on in.
Today, we'll build the tallest, strongest towers. Oh no! This is harder than it looks. Look at this!
Wow. Don't give up, Leo. Every builder starts somewhere.
Could you show me a trick to make it stay up? Bye. Now, Leo, watch how I make a strong base. I did. It's staying. It's staying. Catch me if you can, Leo. Learning is an adventure, and playing with friends makes it even better. Goodbye, Miss Daisy. What a beautiful day for an adventure. School was so much fun today. I learned a new trick.
Welcome home, Leo. Hi, Mom. I'm home.
Welcome home, my little gardener. Did you have a good day at school? It was amazing. Miss Daisy showed us how to build super strong towers. Can I help you with the garden, Mom?
Of course, sweetheart. Could you please water the thirsty tomato plants for me? Fresh water for my little tomatoes.
It feels really good to help you, Mom. Look how green everything is. Look at all these ripe tomatoes.
They are so big, Luna. Helping each other makes our family strong and our home full of joy. And the garden looks even prettier when we work together. My tummy is rumbling. I am so hungry after all that gardening. Oh, my little gardener, you worked so hard. But we don't have cooked food ready yet. No cooked food? I know. I will go fish in the sparkling river. That's a wonderful idea, my clever boy. Be careful and good luck.
I will.
See you soon with dinner, Mom. Almost there.
Wow, the river is so clear today. I hope there are many fish. Oh, an empty net. That's okay. I'll try again further down the stream. I got one. Hooray! I caught a fish. Mama will be so proud.
This will be a delicious dinner. What a wonderful day for an adventure! Look, Mom! Fresh fish for dinner! All thanks to my clever fishing! Oh, Leo, my resourceful boy! I'm so incredibly proud of you for finding a way! This fish tastes even better because I caught it myself!
Indeed it does, my brave boy. With creativity and hard work, we can always find a way. I wonder what adventures await me today. Mom, what fun thing can we do today? I'm full of energy. How about we fly this colorful kite we made last week?
Oh, yes! That sounds like an amazing adventure! Let's go, Mom! This open field is perfect for our kite, isn't it? Lots of space for it to dance. It's almost up! Just a little more wind. Look, Mom! It's so high! I can almost touch the clouds. Oh no! The string! It broke!
I have to get it back, Mom! I can still catch it! Look how high it flies! Oh no! My kite! I must catch it! Whoa!
Oh dear, I'm all muddy. Oh dear, what a mess! My goodness, Leo, what happened? Looks like you had an adventure. Time for a warm bath. This feels so good! Bubbles everywhere! I am so fluffy and clean!
Hello there, friend. It's so cozy here by the fire.
Here, my little adventurer. Warm honey milk for you. Thank you, Mom. This is perfect.
It's good to explore, Leo, but also to clean up and care for yourself. A warm drink helps.
You're right, Mom. I'm glad to be clean and cozy. Playing was fun, but home is best.